If you want a hot hatch with a boot, you can't have one because it wouldn't be a hatch anymore. But what you can have is this little beast, the new second generation Mercedes-AMG CLA45 S, a small coupe-style sedan that shares its high-performance DNA with the hot as boiling lava A45 S hatch. Packing over 300 kilowatts, that's more than 420 horsepower and 500 Newton meters, its 2-litre engine is claimed to be the most powerful series production 4-cylinder turbo ever made. Mercedes-AMG has invited us to the car's global launch in Madrid, Spain, and we'll get behind the wheel shortly. But before we do, remember, for all the detail on tech, safety and standard features, you can read my full written review at carsguide.com.au. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit subscribe so you can stay on top of all our latest videos.
Australian deliveries of the CLA45 S are scheduled for early 2020, with a likely price tag in the mid-90k bracket. Claimed to blaze from 0 to 100 km/h in 4 seconds, this second generation car has the performance credentials of a mid-engine supercar, wrapped in a relatively unassuming 3-box body.
Drive goes to all 4 wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch auto transmission. And while it might look relatively mild-mannered from a distance, this devil's differences are in the detail. For example, this now AMG signature 12-bar Panamericana grille, as well as this wing spoiler treatment with extra aero bits underneath, and these 2 power domes on the bonnet. As well, these side skirts are wider, and the twin 5-spoke 19-inch alloy rims are standard. Then at the back, there's this lip spoiler on the edge of the boot, a pretty aggressive diffuser down here, and these fat 90mm twin exhaust outlets either side.
The interior is virtually identical to the hatch, the biggest difference being the 4-door coupe's frameless doors. A combination of Merck's Artico faux leather and Dinamica microfiber trim is accented with racy yellow highlights, with a Napa leather and Dinamica AMG performance wheel and sports pedals completing the picture. And the twin widescreen MBUX instrument and media display boasts AMG-specific readouts on everything from gear selection, warm-up menu, car setup, a G-meter, race timer and engine data. The standard track pack even includes specific circuit layouts and data.
So the question is, do the racy looks match the driving experience? And the first thing to say is that this engine is a powerhouse. Its torque curve has been shaped to mimic a naturally aspirated engine, with the peak number coming in between 5,000 and 5,250 RPM, so fairly high. But that's not to say there's nothing underneath. It's far from hollow. Throttle response is really crisp, and there is plenty there, helped in no small part by roller bearings in the turbo, which help with a quick spool up. It just responds very rapidly. The 8-speed dual clutch auto is positive and sharp, especially in manual mode, where changes take place in much less than the blink of an eye.
As the CLA45S beefs up the CLA class on the outside, it's the same underneath the skin, with body reinforcement including an alloy shearing plate under the engine, a front strut tower brace, extra reinforcement between side members and A-pillars, and diagonal struts on the front and rear of the underbody.
So the strut front 4-link rear suspension has a really stiff platform to hang from, which is great. Then you've got the ride control system with adaptive damping that allows you to dial things from nice and plush in comfort to well buttoned down in sport and sport plus. The other thing is the electromechanically assisted steering. I've found the road feel to be pretty good, and the car points very nicely. The other thing, the Michelin high performance rubber on the 19-inch rims. Out here, it's reasonably quiet, and in comfort, the ride quality is good. On the circuit, Yeah, you could feel all of the high-tech systems working to help keep you going in the right direction, but that rubber was gripping hard as well.
The icing on the dynamic cake is AMG Dynamic Select, with 6 modes from comfort to race, adjusting the engine, transmission, steering, suspension and exhaust. On top of that, AMG Dynamics uses the ESP and torque vectoring by braking to vary the level of stability and slip through 4 levels from basic up to master.
We've played with all the toys like race start and drift mode, made possible by a new rear axle featuring twin multi-disc clutches, one for each rear wheel. And the split front to rear of drive is infinitely variable, as well as splitting across the back axle. It's like a swan gliding across the water with all of the hard work happening underneath the surface. It turns you into a bit of a track hero, which we've discovered today. So the rorty exhaust note is controlled by a flap in the exhaust system, which is modified by engine speed and load. And on the other end of the spectrum, the braking is professional grade. You've got ventilated and perforated discs all around, clamped by big 6-piston calipers at the front. We were working them hard on the track, session after session, and there simply wasn't a hint of fade, which is pretty impressive. The Mercedes-AMG CLA45 S is more glorious madness from the hot rodders in a falterback. A design and engineering masterclass, putting a slightly more mature spin on AMG's fast and furious small car formula. But only slightly. It's brilliantly outrageous, and you've got to love it. Hasta luego!